How to fix the login errors on the Binance application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having troubles to log in on Binance, here are some of the fixes and troubleshooting steps. First and foremost, you need to ensure that the internet connection is stable. You can try switching between the cellular data and the Wi-Fi connection. Next up, for the iPhone users, you can offload the app. For Android, you can long press the app and go to app info. Then after head over to storage and cache, and after tapping on it, tap on the clear cache option. After that you can tap on clear storage, but remember this will log you out, so you'll have to log in again. Now that this is done, head over to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device type and search for the Binance app. Make sure it has been updated to the latest version. Sometimes the login issues are also because of some of the glitches. After that, you can restart or relaunch the application. Make sure to check the credentials correctly while doing so. Also, make sure to recover your password if you do not remember it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.